Hi everyone, let's see JEE Mains 2025 question from vector chapter. Question हमारे पास है let's see with the projection vector of B on the vector A. तो यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्शन का क्वेश्चन है, प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ A vector on B vector. Okay, so formula था projection of B vector on A vector is equal to A dot B upon magnitude of A square multiply with A vector. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आपको A dot B पहले कैलकुलेट करना है. So A dot B, if we see, so that we are getting lambda plus 8. Magnitude of A is given to us 3, है ना. चलिए, so C vector is equal to lambda plus 8 upon magnitude of A square, तो आपका आएगा 9 and A vector. ओके, अब चलिए नेक्स्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन जो आपके पास है वो है कि इफ मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ A प्लस सी इज व्हाट 7. So try to calculate magnitude of A plus C. So what is your A vector plus C vector? That is lambda plus 8 by 9 of A vector plus A vector. So आ जाएगा आपके पास lambda plus 17 by 9 of A vector. And magnitude of this A vector plus C vector is given to us 7. So from here we can say lambda plus 17 by 9 whole square magnitude of A square is equal to 49. अब magnitude of A we have 3, तो 3 square 9, which means lambda plus 7 whole square, this one 9 square multiply with 9 is equal to 49. So from here lambda is equal to 4 we are getting. Okay, so lambda equal to 4. Now let's read the further. It is given then the area of parallelogram formed by the vectors B and C. So B vector हमारे पास है lambda I cap plus 4k cap. Okay, so B vector is equal to 4 I cap plus 4 k cap. And जो आपका C vector था वो था lambda plus 8 by 9 of A vector. So आ जाएगा यहाँ पे 12 by 9. 12 by 9 means 4 by 3 of A vector, and A vector we have I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. अब आपको कैलकुलेट करना है एरिया ऑफ parallelogram that we know it's a cross B. So in this case we will get it as B cross C. Okay, of magnitude. So calculate करते हैं B cross C. I cap, J cap, K cap, 4 4 0. A 4 by 3 we can take outside, and here we will get 1 2. So 4 by 3 I cap we are getting 8 minus J cap 8 and plus K cap which is 8 minus 4, and magnitude of this we have to take. Okay, so 4 by 3 root over, from this one also 4 is common, so overall we can say outside you have 16 by 3, and magnitude of 2 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 1, so 16 multiply with 3 by 3. So final answer is 16 of this question. Thank you.